Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 5th video in my Allure magazine recreation series. If you're new to my channel, then you may be new to this series that you're watching right now. So in these videos, I show you guys how to recreate looks that are found in my favorite magazine, which is Allure magazine. Allure magazine has a lot of tips and tricks for makeup if you're a makeup enthusiast. They also are home to the Allure Best of Beauty Awards. They are yearly awards given to the best makeup products in each category. And I know all this by heart because I just love Allure so much. There will be a link in the description box for you to get caught up on the rest of the videos that I've created in this series. Today's look is going to be from the November 2017 issue. So if you would like to see how to get this makeup look and learn a few ways to spice up kind of your everyday look, because this is a very natural sort of look, then just keep on watching. So this is the look that I'm going to be recreating today. Kerry Washington, so beautiful. It's in the November 2017 issue, if you happen to have it. This really isn't going to be difficult to recreate today. I'm going to start off with foundation, and I'm going to mix together my CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion and the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. Both of these are kind of going to give that radiant glow to the skin. So shake both of them up, and then I'm just gonna mix them on the back of my hand. Just a little bit of the glow lotion, and then a few pumps of that. And to even further have this be more of a lighter, I'm going to just apply this with a dual fiber brush. This is gonna help to sheer out the foundation, give a nice natural look to the skin, and added some coverage as well. Now I'm going to warm up the skin with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick and blend it in with my Thrive Cosmetics bronzer brush. And Kerry Washington's skin is it seems very sun-kissed. So that's why I'm going in with a warmer contour shade, but I like to use warmer contour shades anyway. I just think they look better on my skin, but I'm also doing it because they did it for her. Just want to make sure everything is blended into the skin so it's very seamless, where the foundation starts and the contour starts. And then you could have just brought your foundation up higher. I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, and this is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Beige, and this gets a lot darker, so I think it's going to blend really nice into the skin because it doesn't seem like she has highlight underneath her eyes. You could have used the foundation that's your skin tone. Either one works. Okay, so for this look, I'm also going to be retrying a product that I didn't totally fall in love with when I used it for the first time, but I want to try it again. It is the Koh Gen Do Natural Lighting Powder. It was a lot of good reviews, or great reviews, on Sephora.com, so I just thought I should try it again. So I'm gonna use this to set my under eye area. And the only reason why that I wasn't a total fan of it was because it has shimmer in it, and I just wasn't used to that when I used it the first time. But this actually looks nice now. I don't know why I didn't like this. What's wrong with me? This looks so pretty on the skin. What is wrong with me? You can barely even see the shimmer. I don't know. Maybe I was having a weird day. Who knows? That looks good. So now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Casino bronzer by NARS, and I'm gonna use this just because it has a bit of shimmer in it, and I want to keep that sun-kissed glow. Apply this with my Sigma soft angled contour brush, and I'm gonna just tap this onto the skin. I'm not gonna try to do any harsh contouring. Really just tapping this on to the areas that I applied that Fenty Beauty Matchstick. Add a little bit to the nose. Right now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in the shade Brunette. I'm just gonna fill my brows in, just starting by darkening them instead of doing the lines that I normally do, just because her brows don't seem like they're really sculpted. They're just a little darker. So that's all I'm gonna do with my brows today. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. Oh wait, actually, the highlight I want to do. So on Kerry Washington, they actually have what appears to be a gold highlight here on her chin, and looks like there's some even right here and on her nose and in the center of her forehead. So I'm gonna do that too and use the Black Radiance Flawless highlight. It has a goldish undertone to it, so I just add a bit. I'm gonna add some here. So for the eye look, I'm going to start with the same bronzer we used to warm up our skin. And I'm just going to lightly place this in the crease. This is just going to create a little bit of dimension with the eyes so that the lid area appears a bit more pronounced and that the crease is more back. Just gives the illusion that you have a deeper crease. So I'm going to take my Sigma Warm Neutrals palette and I'm going to go into the shade Beaming, which is just like a rose gold shadow. I'm going to spray it with my CoverGirl setting mist, spray the brush, and just apply this all over the lid area with a blending brush because I don't want it to be super... You know how I normally cut my crease with a flat brush? Well, by using a blending brush instead of a flat brush, then I won't have such a defined lid area. Taking this actually all the way up to the crease, just making sure that I have all the pigment that I want on the lid. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Then with a Sigma small angled brush, I'm going to use the shade Iconic. You know what? I forgot. I told y'all that I was gonna do it when I remember. I forgot to bring y'all closer. So even though I kind of already did most of the look, I'm still gonna bring you guys closer. All right, now we're closer. So I'm going to, like I said, go in the shade Iconic, kind of burgundy shimmer shadow. You can see that she kind of has a bit of a burgundy liner right here on her lash line. And just apply that on my angled brush that I'm using, the Sigma small angled brush. So I'm actually going in with this same Iconic shadow, and right in the crease I'm just tapping a very light wash of that because I'm just looking at Kerry Washington and it looks like her lid shade wasn't as icy as the one that I used. So I'm just toning it down just a little bit. And then we'll go in with our blending brush that we used to put in our bronzer in the crease and just blend the edges. Okay, and then it also looks like she has a bit of black on her lid too. I can see some black. So I'm going to go in with Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper and just line my upper lash line closer to my lashes than I applied that burgundy shade. So then for mascara, because it doesn't look like she has on any lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Shot mascara, the Makeup Shayla collaboration. Okay, now we're going to put on a little blush, just a little bit. I'm going to use the Thrive Causemetics Angelina multi-dimensional strobing blush and just get a little bit on my brush and apply it to the cheeks. Then the last thing, the lip color. So before I sit down to do these looks, I always try to find the closest thing that I can to the lip color that the person is wearing in the look. So I was looking at Kerry Washington and I went through a few options and I landed on this. It's the closest thing that looked close to her lip color that she has on. So I'm going to first line my lips with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. And then I'm going to fill in the center with MAC's Brick Dust Liptensity lipstick. And then it looks like they may have tapped a little bit of that highlighter in the center of her lips. So I'm going to take that highlighter that we used in the center. And then the last thing, we just want to spray to set this in place. And I'm going to use that same setting spray we used for the eyeshadow, the CoverGirl Setting Mist. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this look as well as the other looks in this series. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.